see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be covering Supreme Week 10, which is basically the cutout Fogo fake box logo. People are considering this the box logo of the season, so it is going to be a pretty hyped week in my opinion. I definitely would say that this is one of the better weeks, and low-key this season has been pretty fire as of yet. So I am obviously going to cover the drop list for you guys. This isn't all the items that are going to come out, but I did decide to just cover what we got. I do want to say that this video is sponsored by Addict.io. I am going to talk about different ways to buy this cutout box logo for this week. I do recommend that you have either a bot, somebody running some slots for you, which major shout out to Marco last week because he actually did cook up the COVID-19 box logo for me. Have slots, have a bot, go manual, any possible way you can nowadays to go ahead and cop. You got to do what you got to do. But without any further ado, if you're doing up enjoying, leave a like on this video, subscribe down below for more content like this, click on post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I'm not gonna take too long talking about every single item. I'm mainly gonna talk about the dookie pieces, the good pieces, and how to get them, and then we'll get straight up out the building. So we're gonna work our way from the bottom of this list with this Patchwork Pocket Tee. This one is actually not even that bad. I don't know why it's at the bottom. I don't really like that yellowish tealish green color, but I do like some of the other colorways. Like that lilac purple one is pretty cool. The black one is actually pretty fire. I do feel like this is gonna retail for $88, $98 since it is patchwork and it also is a top. I do like this piece nonetheless, but I can't see myself paying $100 for a shirt. It just doesn't make sense if it's not like off-white or some shit, which I wouldn't even do that to be honest. But we got this chest stripe sweater right here. This is another one where, bro, I don't really like crewnecks too much, so this is not down my alley. If I was to go for any of these, it would probably be the black one, and even at that, I honestly really am not a fan, bro. Like, I'm not a fan. I do like the fact that it has Supreme on the front with the little stripes or whatever. This is just something not too special for me to go out the way and be like, yo, I need this one right here. I don't even think this is like a knit sweater or nothing like that. It's just a regular crewneck. I definitely feel like these two pieces have no resale as of yet. This one comes in a couple cool colorways though. We got this baby blue color, which is actually pretty cool. Then you got the black. Now we do have the Saint Supreme basketball shorts. These are actually fire, bro. You got like a cross on one leg, then on the other side it says Saint Supreme. We got like some cool colorways as well. There's like this black and red one, which is the one that I mainly like, then the blue one, which is probably the one that I would end up going for if I went for this. But honestly, I am gonna sleep on this piece right here. Resale wise, definitely not the one to go for. I feel like it's a cool piece, but if you're gonna resell anything this week, this definitely wouldn't be it. For the personal, I definitely feel like it's a cozy vibe. Next up, we got another cozy vibe with this metallic Rib Sweatpants. These are cool, but they're metallic, bro. Like, I think the sides are glitter. I might be wrong, but the shit looks like it's glitter, and that shit throws me off. The sweats are actually fire, but if it's glitter, they could hold the tip. I feel like I said glitter hella times, but if it is, shit is ass. Like, it's ass. We got the painted logo, I almost said skirt, shirt. This is dookie, bro. Like, who's wearing this and where are you wearing it to? This looks like some Dolce Gabbana, like off the runway shit that they don't even release. They just want you to look at whatever else they're showing. This is ass. And they got the matching short sleeve top. That's tough. Shit is ass too. Like, I'm not going for either one of these pieces. The button-up shirt or the short sleeve, they're both equally dookie, bro. Like, I'm not going for neither one of these. If you like them, then more power to you, but for me, this is definitely not it. I feel like some of these items are throwaways, and the reason they do this is because they know they're dropping a banger at the top of this list, so they don't care about the other items. There are some cool pieces like sprinkled in here, but it's nothing too special. We got the Saint Supreme basketball jersey, same shit as the shorts, but the jersey version. I honestly like the shorts more, but the front of this jersey says Saint Supreme with a little cross. They typically don't do short sleeve jerseys too often. Only for spring, summer, they drop like a couple of them. So I feel like this is cool if this is like a type of shirt that you like wearing, but for resale, it's a dub, bro. Don't do it. We got like 4 more pieces in the drop list, and then we're straight up out the building. There's honestly not that many items on this list so far, but there are some cool things on here. We got this hole punch denim trucker jacket, which is ass. Like, I feel like this one isn't terrible, but it could do without all the hole punchings. Like, bro, what are you going for? Like, this shit is half done. Like, the jacket is almost expired, bro. Like, this shit is done. If it was a denim jacket with maybe the ARC logo cut out, like punched out in the back, that would be cool. But the whole shit, nah, no, like, it's too much. Definitely looks a little more subtle on the black color, but resale wise, I just can't see that happening. When I saw this on the, I think it was the teaser where the dude had this on, I was like, bruh, shit is ass. And I agree with previous me. This shit is dookie, bro. We got the metallic rib hooded sweatshirt, same shit as the pants. I honestly think the pants look way better than the actual sweater, and if it's glitter, y'all already know what it is. The cream color is cool. It's just cool, bro. Like, it's nothing over the top. I definitely wouldn't go for this for my personal. I like stuff like this, just a little logo on the front, call it a day, bro. It's nothing too special, just something simple. That's what I like going for. This is definitely not that. This is screaming Supreme. But we got 2 more pieces to cover in today's video, one of them being the cutout logo crew neck. I feel like this one will definitely have resell, so that's why I do recommend that you guys get Addict.io. They are an iOS bot which has been seeing success this whole season. To be honest, they do catch a lot of flack from people saying that they don't cook up, but there's also a lot of people that say that they have been cooking up on restocks. They've been getting heller mugs. They cooked up on the box logos and everything. Honestly, there's been a lot of people who hit me up that actually succeed from copying this bot. It is only $130, and if you can't afford that, you can split the payment into 4 different payments to make it $32.50 a month, which is also not that bad. I do feel like to cop these hype pieces, sometimes you do need a bot, and for iOS, I would definitely recommend Addict.io. They are the best bot on iOS. I know that there's like Project Destroyer and a whole bunch of other bots on PC that are stronger, but I'm talking about mobile version iOS bots. This is probably the better one to go for. They have been killing the game, and I would recommend you guys to go ahead and check them out. You can use my promo code Astro for 10% off as well. But when it comes to this cutout logo crew neck, I definitely would say the better colorways to go for are the black. That gray is fire. The cream, you already know that one's gonna go nuts. I also do want to say that you don't only need a bot to buy these pieces. It does give you like a slight advantage, but sometimes you may get lucky manual. I just do like having different options to kind of make it easier to buy. Like, for example, last week I had my homie Marco run me a slot, and he managed to get me a box logo, which was pretty sick in my opinion. I did also run Addict, but my problem with that is that I run it right before the drop. I did look it up recently, and they say that you should run it like a minute before so it could get set up. Since these drops sell out so quick, it doesn't even have time to really like gear up for the release, so that was my mistake. I'm gonna try something different this week. Hopefully it does work for me. I'm gonna try and get another slot as well, and I'm gonna try and go manual. I feel like the more options you have, the better chance of you being able to actually succeed. But this piece is definitely gonna have resell. I would say at least $400. It's not an official box logo, but it will have resell like if it were one, because this is the one that we're gonna be seeing for this season. We did get the COVID-19 box logo, which really wasn't planned, but it did release, and this is like the box logo that we were waiting for this season. These colors are high. It's the same colors they always do. I do like the red, the black, the gray, and the cream colors. Those are the ones that I'm gonna personally go for. But the last piece that I want to talk about today is this debossed glass ashtray. I feel like this shit is also fire. It's a great piece to put on like a coffee table next to some magazines. It's aesthetically pleasing. I do like the fact that the red one is kind of clear at the same time. It's not like a solid red. I do like the fact that you can still see through it. Honestly, I wouldn't go wrong with either one of these right here. I'm a fan of both of these ashtrays. I definitely am gonna try and go for this and the cutout crew neck this week. I like both of those pieces the most, but that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.